So, guys, here are 7 Premier League facts that sound fake but are true. Number 1. Manchester United legend David Beckham never scored a Premier League hat-trick. Number 2. Peter Crouch has more Premier League headed goals than goals with his feet from outside the box. Number 3. Leicester City legend Jamie Vardy once scored in 11 consecutive Premier League games. 4. Arsenal went an entire Premier League season unbeaten, the only side to do so in the history of the Premier League. 5. Leicester City won the Premier League despite being 5,000 against 1 outsiders. 6. Steven Gerrard got sent off before touching the ball. And 7. West Ham United got relegated with 42 points.